Kristal Rainbow Creative TV. Welcome to Kristal Rainbow Creative TV. Today we're gonna make this beautiful butterfly wing or fairy wing or any wings that you think your kids might call it. Let's start off with fabrics. Now let's lay this beautiful fabric on the floor or any flat surface and fold it in four. You can use jersey fabrics, or you may use any cotton or maybe even t-shirts that you don't use anymore. Now let's take your fabric scissors and start cutting off and chopping off around the corners. And do not be afraid to make a mistake, because you can start off a little bit bigger, and if you don't like the corner, you can always cut it even a little bit smaller. There's no right or wrong. You can just have a fun. And we are ready to sew these beautiful wings. Now let's take the two top pieces and we're gonna sew with a sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, it's okay to do hand stitches. Now the fabric is a jersey fabric in this case, so I'm making sure to pull from the other side to make sure that it does not get wrinkly. As you can see, my right arm is pulling the fabric as I sew and pulling away from me so it does not get wrinkly. I think this is a wonderful project for your little friends or for your children. You can make any colors, any fabrics, or any style you like. And you are always welcome to paint over or have children decorate these fabrics when it's done sewing. I remember me, Kristal Rainbow, used to go into my grandmother's fabric piles and choose fabrics that I wanted to do some project. Well, if you have a pile of clothes or old fabrics, or maybe some Goodwill donation piles that your mommy or daddy has, you could ask perhaps to use piece of it to make something unique or wings, or turn them into something so fun. Well, make sure to ask the permission from your parents. And also, let's be safe when you're using scissors or sewing machine. I am almost done sewing. I left about 6 inches opening gap and without sewing till the end, so that way I can flip the fabric from inside out. Now watch me flip the fabric. You see me? I stick my fingers or hand in, and I will go all the way and grab the other side of the fabric right there and just pull. Here we go. And push some extra fabric inside, and now you have a wing. Now I'm gonna sew this opening gap a little bit over right here. You are almost done. Ta-da! Now that the both wings are sewn, it's time to sew this into the dress. Now I have a friend, Diamond, here. My friend Diamond has a beautiful dress that has a zipper on, so I am sewing both sides of the zipper and make sure it's not over. As you can see, woo, this is so exciting! Diamond suggested that I should put a little cute handband towards the end of the wing. I find it easier to attach by hand for this little piece of fabric. What kind of project do you guys love the most? Do you like sewing? Do you like crafting? Or do you like drawing? Or maybe painting? Well, please share in the comment below. Kristal Rainbow loves to hear what you like to make, so I can make more videos that are fun for you. Let me show you how this project turned out. Diamond, are you ready to show your wing? Diamond loved this wing so much that she ended up wearing this for her birthday party. If you like this video, please hit like buttons below. For the next episode, we're gonna have Amber and Ruby make their matching skirt together. Come and watch next episode. See you soon!